What is the deal? This is your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all something out of Pro Tools, man. I'm gonna be showing y'all a few things out of Pro Tools, man. This is the first of the many videos that I'm gonna have where I'm talking about things that you might not know about Pro Tools, man. But listen, before we get into it, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing. And follow the playlist too, man, because it's going to be updated often with things that you might not know about Pro Tools, man. But I ain't going to take up too much more of y'all time. Let's get into the video. So we got this session up right here where I got this vocal piece. Check it out.
Energy giving me insight. Brain molecules warm as a stovepipe.
So what I want to do is I want to add a little bit of reverb to this. Now, normally what I would do, I would like create a new track, create a new auxiliary track and assign it and all of that. We're not doing that. This is all we got to do now. We can go to the sends section, go to new track. Now we're going to name it to stay organized. Let's call it reverb. Hit create. And it creates an auxiliary track right beside the channel for you. Right beside it. Like, you know, you don't even got to look for it. It created it right there. And all you got to do is add your reverb. Let's just go with the factory Deverb one. And let's solo that too so it'll play. Now all we have to do is turn up the send.
Energy giving me insight. Brain molecules warm as a stovepipe. Sparks of light in the darkness.
And as simple as that, man. Hey, look, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing, man. We out.